Wow, where have you been? Haven't seen you guys in a long time. Yeah, okay, so it's been a while since I've done a video. In the last episode, let's see, we were working on this companionway hatch, which is still not done. And let's see, we did a bunch of sailing outside the Golden Gate, which was pretty cool. And what else went on during the winter? Oh, we had a lot of rain, lots and lots of rain, record rainfall this last winter. And right now, we are headed over to Alameda, to Svensson's Marine, and we're going to get a new combination bowsprit, short bowsprit, 16 inches off the bow, that's going to have the Genoa stay, roller furling on it, and 2 anchor rollers. So we're headed over to Svensson's metal shop to get that fabricated. And that's going to be about a 2-hour trip. Sunrise, San Francisco Bay. Not much traffic out here today yet. And, oh yes, the mast is up. Here, check it out. We got a new mast.
Buzz Ballinger completed the new mast and delivered it in June. Some of the woodwork needed to be stripped away around the old mast, and a little bit of work done on the main beam across the cabin top. Right across the canal from Cuevas Marina is a big crane on the dock at San Rafael Yacht Harbor, perfect for swapping out the masts. After the old mast was out, it was back over to the slip to fiberglass close the puka in the deck. And then I took a big chunk of G10 and cut out a collar, a deck collar for the mast. It took 13 jigsaw blades to make all the cuts. Next was reshaping the old G10 step to fit the shape of the mast. After installing some halyards and electrical stuff on the mast, it was ready to stand in place. I put some epoxy around the step so that it would have a nice tight fit, and there's a thin plastic mold release inside the base of the mast to keep it from getting glued in place.
Okay, perfect. Down. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful.
Then I stood the mast with running rigging and headed back over to the slip. What followed was about 12 trips up and down the mast to measure and install the standing rigging.
good timing. Uh-oh. It looks like it's just perfect timing. I just got tangled.
Meanwhile, my work at the Marine Mammal Center was ramping up. I volunteer on the topside crew, the separate harbor seal hospital, and on the rescue crew. The Marine Mammal Center is at Rodeo Beach at the Marin Headlands. It's a hospital for seals, sea lions, and sea otters. And in 2017, we handled 660 patients. We get a lot of baby elephant seals and harbor seals that are abandoned by their moms before they're weaned for various reasons. They haven't yet learned how to catch fish, so we have to tube feed them and put some weight on them and then teach them how to catch fish. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, the bowsprit was taking shape. Add a couple of Schaefer 3100 roller furlers and Cueva is converted to a Solent rig. Winches and rope clutches and static cleats and tracks on the mast. Some Spartite poured into the mast collar and allowed to overflow over the top of the collar lip. And a new reefing winch, and we're ready to bend on some sails.